Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'm going to answer a couple of frequently asked questions. How does elder law differ from general law practice? Well, elder law is a subspecialty of estate planning. Elder law attorneys help individuals and their families plan for retirement benefits, health care, long-term care, Medicaid, Medicare coverage, Medicaid law, and home care and nursing home care. We also help with decision-making documents and provide guidance on other legal issues for seniors, for people with disabilities. And a lot of times, seniors and people with disabilities are grouped together because of government plans. We provide clients and their families with a holistic approach because I spend a lot of time, learning about the needs and wants of my client. My work is not just transactional. It's not just documents. Right? I think with the client, along with the client, and I quarterback a team that includes financial planners, accountants, insurance agents, other professionals to design and implement an appropriate plan for each client. So another question is, what age should a person contact an elder law attorney? Well, there really is no right or wrong age. Elder law is not really defined by a set period of time. Some people start earlier because they have exposure to end-of-life decisions, either for a parent or a loved one. So elder law could start at 30 years old. But really, by age 60, you should start the planning process. The longer you wait in life, the more you run the risk of your money not being protected, or you may lose your capacity because of health conditions, because of health issues, because of just life in general. I also recommend that clients do, where possible, multi-generational planning by helping their kids, maybe in their 30s or with young children, think about what plan they might need. Clients often ask, what should I do in advance of a meeting? Well, I help address your concerns and streamline your solutions so that there will not be issues with your estate and family later. Questions that I ask you are, do you receive any VA benefits? Are you on Medicaid? Do you have community Medicaid? Do you have a supplemental insurance policy? Do you have a long-term care insurance policy? How long do you plan to work? When do you plan to take your Social Security? Have you looked at the socialsecurity.gov? Do your children need help? Do they need financial help? Can you give it to them? Do you have a pet? Who's going to take care of your pet? Do you want to set up a pet fund? Do you want to give a stipend for your pet? Do you have guns? Do you have certain collections? Do you want to put your guns or your collectibles in the trust? The latest thing is people's online accounts if they become disabled or pass away. Years ago, we never had to think about legal issues like online security, but I know the questions to ask. We carefully walk through the planning process. Another question is, what about planning for a disabled or dependent child? So if a child is receiving government benefits, we might want to set up a special needs trust so they don't lose those benefits. This way they'll have the benefits and the money will be available for them. It's also important to consider who might be the appropriate trustee for the child with disabilities. Do you have an adult child that could help your other adult child with special needs? Other people ask, do I need to avoid probate? Well, some people will plan with beneficiaries, some will plan with a trust, some will do nothing. Another question, how do I avoid estate taxes? Well, the U.S. estate tax exemption is now $11.18 million per person and $22.4 for two people. That's a sizable amount of money. Many people will be under that amount and there'll be no federal estate tax. So if you'd like to speak with me about your specific situation, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.